to the channel, guys. Real quick. Y'all see my destination where I'm headed? Yes, back to the world famous Brothers Motors. All right, guys. I told y'all earlier, I'm about to get a OMT garage. Okay, online mechanic tips garage. I'm going to incorporate that into the business. I will be working out of this shop, y'all. As y'all know, we rent out 2 stalls over here so we can get some of our work done. But I'm here now to meet a customer with a Dodge Charger overheating, guys. This thing has a Hemi in it, a 5.7 Hemi. Says it's overheating. They're having a hard time figuring out why it's overheating. But y'all know us, that is no problem for us. We will find out why it's overheating. Well, I'm a little early, so I'm gonna go in and check in and see what my buddy up to. Yeah, they got a lot going on. So let me find a good place to park. Hey, wonder what's going on with this one. I don't know. It's hard to say. So guys, let me find a nice place to park, and we're gonna go in here and find out. Is that it? No, that ain't it. That's the other one that we had last week. We're gonna go ahead and find out what's cracking, guys. All right, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, this is my dude with the 6.4. We're about to check his car out for overheating. Yeah, I hear the fan running right now, but yeah, just straddle right here. We're trying to reach the Wi-Fi. All right, that's good. You gonna open this? Just fill it out. You got the yellow bleeder funnel no more? Oh, this is a low rider. Unless that's excessive from when you spilled it, but it's some over in this corner. No, what is heater hose at? Yeah. The pressure drop? Oh man, right here. What's going on right here? That's the work. That bearing loose?
Yep.
Sure, yeah.
Sure good. That's a good call. Sure
That's the one that ain't making a lot of noise.
That's right. He having heat. 1 minute. Do the water pump right now. Your water pump leaking.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious right here. Yeah, this pulley is bad, and you can see. Whew, just glad it was pretty simple. All right, I can't really tell if this OEM or not, but he seemed to think he had it replaced before. Yeah, that is bad. But under pressure, guys, that's why pressure tests are so important. It will force cooling out through the weakest point. In this case, the weakest point is the water pump. So good news and bad news I had for the customer. OEM is $300, but we don't have it in stock for this 6.4. Advanced Auto have them for $170 or something like that in stock. Now, quality, yes, there's a quality difference, guys. I don't know. I had to refrain from bragging on OEM water pumps on a Hemi, but I still, in my opinion, that's your best shot. So, but it's not my call, so I'm gonna let the customer make the call, and then we're gonna go from there. Now, as far as replacing the guys, it's no big deal. So I'm not gonna film replacing the water pump. In fact, I have video of that repair already. I just call it right here somewhere. So, but I just want to keep y'all what we up to. It's Dodge Charger 2013 6.4 Hemi, overheating. That was his complaint. I don't know. I think he met me off YouTube or a buddy at work or something like that. Now he's here at Brothers Motors, so he's now property of Brothers Motors. So I'm almost certain we'll be getting our future anything else that come up. Now, y'all know this is a real differential, so what is it? From the look of that transmission dipstick, I would say it's a nag transmission. So yes, upsells are important, guys. I'm gonna see if he had his real diff service and his trans service. If not, we're gonna recommend that as well. All right, so we'll go from there, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, guys, that's a wrap. I am leaving Brothers Motors. Got that taken care of. Yes, he ended up having that water pump been replaced, so it's got a lifetime warranty. So what he gonna do is go get the parts from. Whoa! Look at this tire. Whoa! Man, that's one of those. I'm almost there. Just keep going. Yes, guys. Especially if you're a lady, female, and you're in harm's way, don't stop. Just keep. Your tire's already shot. You pretty much gonna need a new tire if you roll just a small amount of distance on a flat tire. So if you flat, just go for it. Well, anyway, guys. Yes, another contract. Like I said, he going to get a water pump. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna slap it on, and that's gonna be that. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.